I step in the canyon's whisper, Comal's bones beneath my feet. Layers laid by eons, sediment in time's heartbeat. They called me geology, water's secret biography. I read fault lines, flow lines, subterranean cartography. They hope to know where springs arise, that Comal's great vein, pouring life from hidden caverns, fed by rain's refrain. In county's Belly Edwards, Glen rose in those ancient stone halls. I traced the veins fault sculpted, heard aquifers' calls. 7 great fractures tear the crust, the balcone's fierce decree. Down throwing south, reshaping flow, carving subterranean sea. Those faults direct the water, channels unseen and deep. From west to east, from hills to springs, the subterranean sweep. Recharge whispers from the west, rain's pilgrim in the wind. Descending through fractures, into storage it finds a grin. More than half the spring's voice, drawn from that hidden store. Linked to San Antonio's thighs, 2 wells that lie in lore. Streams may bleed or drink the flow as they cross limestone seams. Guadalupe, Cibolo crossing veils of geologic dreams. Seepage, gain, give and take waters dance with rock and rain. They mapped it, numbered wells, charted each shifting plain. But droughts twist the balance. Floods shout in sudden gush. Storage must be built, lest the springs run dry or blush. They say long-term recharge and discharge tend to align. Yet what of centuries unknown or shifts in nature's design? The water's heart is hard as limestone's fingerprints decree. Calcium bicarbonate anchors the chemistry's melody. Some wells down south whisper sulphurous lamentations. When faulted depths mix gases with hidden revelations. The report holds truth, but with caution, limits, caveats abound. Abundant supply, yes, but only if wisdom is unbound. Guard recharge zones, curb waste, respect the unseen flow. For springs run silent when we forget the laws we ignore. So here's my rhyme, my skeptic's voice, etched across stone and stream. Comal's water is gift and gamble. Managed with respect, it seems. Because beneath our feet, unseen, the ancient reservoir waits. Fed by rain, disciplined by fault, sustaining human fates. If we twist that gift, exploit the veins, distort the balance further. The springs will wane, the legacy lost, ground truth turned to murmur. Hold fast to maps, to data, to the old ways of knowing, and guard the deep that guards our lives with humility. Keep growing,